name is Brent at language101.com. This is a series of videos on how to make better audio recordings. This video is specifically about how to avoid breath noise. Now, the first thing that happens is when you start to try to make really good quality audio recordings, you put a microphone up close to your mouth and you can hear. Okay, so this is not about conscious breathing. This is about making a good quality audio recording, and that kind of thing can be annoying. So, Andrea, how have you learned to make good audio recordings without having breath noise?
I just don't breathe during the recording. I'm kidding. It's like when you sing. You just breathe, but inside. And after the recording, you push your breath outside.
Okay, if you hear most of my speech, you'll hear right there breath and other breaths in this recording, but you can learn to breathe silently and then do your speech like that. Or you can edit these sounds out in post-production, but you really don't want to be doing that very much because that's taking a lot of extra time, and you'd really like to be more productive than that. So that's how you do it. If you'd like to learn more about making better audio recordings, please watch the rest of the videos in this series. If you'd like to learn a foreign language, please come visit us at language101.com.